I haven't done it yet. I'm an artiste. Let me just show you the look all together, shall I?
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Jadetheleeder coming to you with some vibes and DIYs. Alright guys, if this is your first time here, of course I'm going to ask you to subscribe, leave me a comment, stay a while. If it's not your first time here, then welcome back. And let's get into the video. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a little like Halloween type thing. Halloween. Yes, I mean, it's not a secret at this point. I'm sure you guys can tell. I love Halloween. And one of my most favorite things to do during Halloween was to sit on Disney Channel and watch all the little movies that used to come on. One of which was Hocus Pocus. Yes, y'all remember Hocus Pocus? Woo! We are going to be making a Sarah Sanderson inspired skirt. Now, this is obviously a Halloween costume, but depending on how you finesse it, maybe you could wear it on a regular day. Now, this is literally going to be the easiest thing you've ever done. This skirt is so easy to make, okay? So let me go over what you're going to need. So I'm going to put a picture of the reference photo that I used, kind of like a collage. I'll put it like over here. A picture of what like I kind of used to help me make the skirt. And then, you can check that out for yourself. So the skirt is basically a bunch of rectangles, long rectangles, and that's it. A whole bunch of rectangles. So the first rectangle you're going to need is your waistband rectangle. Now, this waistband rectangle is going to have to be the length of your waist and then the width, however wide you want it to be. So for example, if you want it to be a 2-inch wide waistband, when you fold it, you're going to want to make a 5-inch waistband, because you're gonna need a 1/2 inch seam on each side. So that's gonna end up being 4. Do you get what I'm saying? Next, you're going to need the little like flappy lapel thing on the side. First thing you're wanting to do is, however long your purple panel is along the top, I think mine was about like 6 yards long. I just ruched the whole top. Once you ruche the whole top, you're going to want to measure down 10 inches down and then cut along there and then hem the bottom of it. This is going to be the paneling for your first like top part. I'll show you right here what I mean. Once you do that, now you're going to want to do the bottom part. So however long your fabric is across, you're just going to ruche all the way across it. Ruche. And since this one is your long piece, you want to make it all the way so that it touches the floor on however tall you are. So this is completely independent on your height. And then you're going to cut that at the bottom and hem it. So now you should have 2 pieces, right? 3. Your waistband, your small lapel, like small ruffling along the top, and then your long your long like skirt piece. And this should be all in the purple color. Next, you're going to want to get your gold or beige or tan or whatever piece color you decided to use, and you're going to just ruche along the top and then make that the same length as your other long piece, so however long it takes to hit the floor. You're going to do that with the gold piece and then your red lace piece. They should be the exact same. Once you do that, you should be ready to attach everything to your waistband. So once you are ready to attach everything, you're going to want to install your buttons first. So what I did for mine is I made everything along the edge, then I put the buttons on the side, and then that's going to clamp in the back. Alright, so after you are done sewing your long piece, short piece, your two long pieces, you should sew it across the line like this. Like this should be how it looks when you're finished. And then this button part is going to go in the back. And then you see down here, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to hot glue some Velcro here so that it can just close like this in the back, along the back. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my little easy Sarah Sanderson costume tutorial. I haven't showed you how I made the top in this video, but if you're curious on how to make the top, I'm going to put the video for the pattern that I use for this top in the cards. So if you want to know how to make the top, look in the cards, because I have another video that I did and I used this same pattern to make the corset top in that video, so you can just follow along there. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough tutorial with me. If you guys have any questions or you don't understand anything, leave me a comment and let me know what's up. Let me know what you thought of this video. But yeah guys, the video is done. Short, sweet, simple, to the point. So if you like this video, I am going to ask you to subscribe, comment, turn on your bell notifications, and follow me at all my other social medias, and they're all Jadetheleeder. So look how easy that is. Yeah guys, so I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Mama. Oh shit. Bro, I just told you to stop.